Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sesh Backpacker and video. This is a series about Delhi, Manali, Haridwar, Agra and Delhi and back to Hyderabad. So I'm at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and I still have 20 minutes for my boarding. I'm going to Delhi now and from there I'm gonna go to Manali. I have a bus at around 7 o'clock in the evening. So I'm gonna cover all the expenses and how much it will cost for me. Probably I'm planning the tour in 20,000. Let's see. Now for this flight it costed me 3,100 from Hyderabad to Delhi. So if you're traveling by train it will cost you less. So I'll give you all the budget by end of this series. So please like, share and subscribe. Delhi now and I'm going to Chandni Chowk to buy some mic and some adapters for this, and let's go to Chandni Chowk. We are having lassi over here. It's very beautiful and it's very tasty. भाई साहब ने लस्सी भाई कितने साल से हैं यहाँ पे? कितने साल? 30 साल हो गया। हाँ it's very tasty here. You can have it here. You can show this rabdi wala. I actually came here to buy some camera stuff like my GoPro Mic Adaptor, and this is Chandni Chowk. This is Haldiram's here and we stopped here to have some breakfast. Connaught place. Actually I have bought few things from Chandni Chowk in camera market. Unfortunately I couldn't record the video, they didn't allow me to record. So I have bought adapter for my GoPro and presently I'm at Connaught place. You can see this. And the Palika Bazar is very near to this, and that's the Palika Bazar there. This is the audio without mic. I need to attach the mic and then check the quality of the audio of my GoPro. So let's hope my audio will be good. Let's meet when we are at the hotel. And here we are at the Palika Bazar and that is the gate number 1. And you can get these bags for American Tourister. भैया ये कितने का है भैया? 550. You can get this for 400. 400? 4 color, okay. Thank you भैया. नहीं बस ऐसा ही पूछ रहा था मैं. बस ऐसा ही पूछ रहा था मैं कितना है. 300 दे. This is Palika Bazar entrance. You can see the shopping everywhere here. Clothes, all replicas over here. And here everything. The quality is bit low than the original, but you know, you can buy if you want. Levi's, Nike, everything is available here. But those are replicas. हाँ दिल्ली में है भाई अपन. We have a bus at 6 o'clock from Delhi to Manali, and I have bought a monopod as well and a battery for my GoPro as well. And this is some LIC building. We are at India Gate. Hello guys, finally we are back to hotel. We have been roaming in Delhi from morning 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock, and we have been to Chandni Chowk, India Gate, Red Fort, and Palika Bazar, and Connaught Place, and India Gate, and finally we are here. And outside it's raining. About the budget, it costed around 1,000 rupees. Not even 1,000 rupees, because you know we have taken a cab, so it has costed us more. So if you are taking metro, for example, we are staying at Paharganj. So Paharganj. So from New Delhi to Paharganj, it's around 10 rupees for metro, and from here you have connection to every place in Delhi. So it will cost you not more than 150 rupees per day. Food. You will be getting for more than 300 per day, including dinner and lunch. And hotel, it costed us 1100, because we are checking out now. If you're taking for one night, it will cost you around 1200 to 1300. So per day for expenses, it will come up to 15 to 1600. So in 1600 you can roam in Delhi for one day. So this is it, and we are having a bus at 6 o'clock to Manali. And Manali, yes, we are so excited. And the weather, it's around -4. So let's meet in Manali, and I'm closing the vlog for today, and I'll be posting it now. And that's all. If you like the video, please like, do subscribe, and share.
Click on bell icon.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.